Let's bring in Mark Avalone, Market Watcher of the Morning. Mark, what's the impact of those election results on the market?
I think it's a bit of a wake-up call for the steamroll that they wanted to have with this $2–3 trillion infrastructure bill out of Washington. I think it is a pause. Now, I don't think it means that the Democrats are going to stop. I don't think that's what we've been hearing, and I don't think that's Nancy Pelosi's style. I think the markets want a balance. I think they want to see a prudent, measured infrastructure bill. They would like that. I think it would help. I think that's why you're seeing a pause in material stocks lately, because of the uncertainty. So I think if we get some balance out of Washington that pleases the center, if you will, I think the market would like that, and it would be poised to move higher.
Just suppose, and this is wild speculation, but just suppose they could not meet any kind of agreement. There's no spending bill. What would Wall Street do then?
Well, I think it would impact the stocks that would benefit from an infrastructure bill, industrials, materials, the heavy cyclicals. I don't think it would impact financials as much, and I don't think it would impact technology. And that's one of the reasons why we like those sectors. They're not Congress dependent. Tech is an inflation fighter. It's an innovator, creates efficiency. The financials are going to benefit from what's happening with the interest rate structure. Those are the macro trends we would look at, and we kind of sidestep the nuances coming out of Washington.
But if you got rid of it all, you get rid of the tax hikes as well. Surely that would go down well on Wall Street, wouldn't it?
Well, yes, and I think people who sold already thinking that capital gains tax was going to be retro might hesitate a little bit. This does give a window to people who think that maybe 2022 brings a cap gains tax hike, but after those votes, that's off the table. So you make a good point. I think investors are pleased if corporate taxes are lower and if capital gains taxes are lower, but right now it's really too soon to tell what the sentiment is going to be.